Hello guys, in this video we will see how can we activate our Windows license for free. So to do that you have to open Windows PowerShell by searching here, search for Windows PowerShell and run as administrator like this. Now here you will have to type a prompt like this. This is the prompt, you have to type this and hit enter. After that it will take few seconds and it will open up a new window. Like this window will be open. Now you have to simply click one from your keyboard. Simply click one from your keyboard and wait for a few seconds. After that your windows will be activated. So after doing that process, if you want to check whether the windows is activated or not, so you can come back to this windows again and you can simply click 5 and hit enter, and it will show the activation status whether it is activated or not. Thank you.